Introduction to adjustable dumbbells.
Adjustable dumbbells are a versatile option for strength training, allowing you to modify the weight for different exercises. They are space-saving, cost-effective, and ideal for a wide range of users. Whether you're working out at home or in the gym, understanding how to select and use them properly is key to both safety and maximum results.
Choosing the right adjustable dumbbells.
Look for adjustable dumbbells that match your fitness level and the types of exercises you plan to do. Consider factors like weight range, adjustment mechanism, and handle comfort. Quality models allow quick changes and secure weight plates, reducing the risk of accidents. Reading reviews and testing grip can help you find a good fit for your routine.
Setting up your dumbbells safely.
Before using adjustable dumbbells, always ensure the weights are locked in place according to the manufacturer's instructions. Check for any loose parts or signs of wear. Set them up on a flat, stable surface and keep the area clear of obstacles. Proper setup reduces the risk of dropped weights and injuries during your workout.
Effective exercises for beginners.
The adjustable dumbbells support a variety of fundamental exercises. Start with moves like bicep curls, shoulder presses, squats, and lunges. Begin with lighter weights to master proper form. Then gradually increase resistance as you gain strength. Always perform exercises with controlled movements and avoid locking joints to minimize stress.
Safety tips and maintenance.
Prioritize safety by warming up before lifting and listening to your body's limits. Keep your grip secure and avoid rapid adjustments while holding the weights. Store dumbbells safely after use and periodically check for damage or wear. Regular maintenance ensures your adjustable dumbbells remain reliable for safe, long-term use.